Welcome to SmartyBits quiz about birds. Which bird lays the largest eggs? Chicken, duck, ostrich, or swan? Ostrich. A bird known for its night vision is eagle, owl, duck, or crow. Owl. Which bird has the longest neck? Ostrich, pelican, flamingo, or swan? Ostrich. Which bird can hover in the air? Sparrow, crow, hummingbird, or owl? Hummingbird. What bird has the best eyesight? Eagle, duck, crow, or swan? Eagle. Which bird can glide for hours? Sparrow, crow, duck, or albatross? Albatross. Which bird has bright red chest feathers? Crow, robin, swan, or duck? Robin. A bird often kept as a pet and talks? Eagle, parrot, hawk, or swan? Parrot. A bird known for its pink color is swan, duck, flamingo, or hawk? Flamingo. Which bird has the smallest size? Sparrow, crow, hummingbird, or duck? Hummingbird. Well done! Thanks for your quiz with SmartyBits, and please subscribe, share and like on our YouTube channel.